In this video, I'm gonna review mid-range riding gloves which are good looking, meant to be worn in summer and comes with decent protections. Welcome to the channel. I hope everybody is doing absolutely great. This is Axor Breeze EVO Gloves which comes with a MRP of Rs 2400. I bought this pair of gloves in a Flipkart offer. It cost me Rs 1824. At the time of uploading this video, it may cost you somewhat between 2100 to 2300, depending upon the color variant and size. Links will be given down in the descriptions. I have already unboxed it earlier, but doing it again to show you the experience. After using the gloves for a month now, I can say that these gloves are very comfortable. They do not come as pre-cut, hence it will take a few rides to get into your finger shape. There is lot of mesh to let the wind slip in and keep your wrist cool during the summers. Looks good too, but in my opinion the brandings are little overdone. It comes with TPR rubber as knuckle guards, high density foam for palm protection. These are not hard sliders found in more premium gloves. HD foams are meant only to absorb impact. For finger protection, Axor has given hard materials here except for the index finger. Honestly, no idea why. Silicone material for better grip and reflective panels. Both the thumb and the index fingers are touch friendly. Axor is calling it smart tips. You will be able to receive call, set navigation hassle free. Let me show you once. So give us a thumbs up if you like this video. If you want to know anything about these gloves, just ask me in the comment section below. Subscribe and thanks for watching.